Elon Musk is living in a house that costs much less than one of his own Tesla cars. In fact, a lot less. Sustainability is at the core of Tesla, so it makes sense that Musk would be interested in living in a tiny house. But on the flip side, it's also pretty shocking, considering all the money and children Musk has. Here's everything we need to know about Musk's tiny house. His announcement to sell his house was made on June 14th. He had mentioned in previous posts that his primary residence is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, or Starbase, that he rents from Spaced. Musk had once owned a handful of massive mansions, but as of December 2021, he sold his last one. According to Futurism, he sold off his last mansion for $30 million. It's unclear if he still rents the same prefab as earlier this year, or if he now owns a different one, which goes for $50,000. Either way, it's a more sustainable way of life than owning several different mansions, and we're totally here for it. Boxable, a company based in Vegas, aims to mass-produce low-cost housing. It creates homes that can be delivered in a box and can be set up in a day. The pioneering Las Vegas-based company, co-founded by Galano and his father Paolo Tiramani in 2017, manufactures compact homes that can be shipped anywhere. Paolo had built a modular home back in Connecticut, dealt with all the oversized shipping issues, and came up with the folding solution. Galano told the New York Post in an interview that the idea behind the project was one they kept on experimenting with until the progress got better and better. They explained that they started experimenting with new, different manufacturing methods and building materials, as it became clear that the product had huge potential. The first model of the construction technology startup is called Casita, but they've already created other designs to fit different families and meet individual needs. The CEO of Boxable further said in a statement that the system just doesn't end at Casita, as the company has other plans for different room modules that stack and connect to build any building on Earth. The goal of the company is to mass-produce housing on a scale and at a cost that's never been done before. Galliano added that the company aims to make housing dramatically more affordable for the world. Boxable makes accessory dwelling units, ADUs, that you can set up anywhere that allows them. For $50,000, you can get a place to live, but you'll need to have land on which to put up the house, including utility hookups. Boxable claims that Casita is an extremely energy-efficient home, as it's constructed from installation technology and utilizes LED lighting, both of which improve resident comfort and savings. These houses are durable, having a snow load capacity for 90% of North America, and can be retrofitted to accommodate snow in the remaining 10% of locations. Tiny homes generally use less energy and take up less space than conventional dwellings, thus having less of an impact on the environment. Boxable builds mass-produced houses that could be the answer for affordable housing in the future, and of course, Elon Musk does what he does best: innovate. Why is Tesla tiny house so good? It's obvious that the designer of the house is so talented that Musk would love to live there, but who built and designed Musk's Tesla house? We need to remember that Musk saw his fortune increase after Tesla's shares increased by 500% in the last year alone. Musk is now living in what is essentially a 400 square foot studio. His house was designed by Boxable, a construction startup that specializes in easy-to-build housing modules. Houses through boxes will start at $50,000. The amount doesn't include landscaping, permits, and utility hookup costs of all homes. Aren't exactly extravagant, but Musk doesn't lack the money to fill the details in by design. The open concept Casita home is approximately 375 square feet in size and is essentially a studio apartment. It's just big enough to fit a living area, a bedroom area, and an eat-in kitchen, and one bathroom, as well as full appliances, including a washer and dryer. What is inside Tesla tiny house? Boxable posted a video of the Casita in November to announce the company had built the home for a high-profile and top-secret customer in Boca Chica. They built this custom home to meet the needs of the top-secret client. Boxable homes are built in factories to fold into shipping containers, so it's pretty easy to figure out what's inside the mystery house, using steel, concrete, and EPS foam. They've taken years of prototyping to decide which materials would not degrade walls. Floors and roofs are all made of laminated panels, making them legal for traveling on highways. Free delivery is available in some states, but there are additional fees for remote destinations. The $50,000 price includes delivery and unpacking of permits, and others may need to be added to the price. The unit comes with plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning pre-installed and ready to connect. In the Casita floor plan, you can see the inside, which can also be customized by combining multiple modules with 375 square feet of living space. It comes fully furnished with a studio setup. It also has a 10-foot ceiling and large windows and doors. Its small size doesn't come at the expense of a full-sized kitchen, which has a refrigerator, double sink, dishwasher, and countertops. Continuing along the walls, creating a dining area, it has a low carbon footprint, so you can basically create your home anywhere you like. Why does Elon Musk choose tiny house? Don't forget that the Model X is worth $79,990, considerably more than the house itself. So maybe now we get the real reason for Elon's decision. You might have asked, what does it benefit him to get rid of all those extra things? Well, it appears that this is Musk's way of leaving as little of a carbon footprint as possible. Unlike the rest of the world's billionaires, Musk doesn't own luxury yachts, and he no longer owns multi-million-dollar homes. Musk has been attempting to live this way for many years. It's not surprising that he's downgraded his home, despite his constant promises to do so. From the sounds of it, Musk is not regretting the decision at all. He tweeted when asked about the tiny house in Texas, as a side note, we all know that the reason why Musk has suspended Bitcoin payments for Tesla cars is due to an environmental concern, because he views sustainability as a core value at Tesla. It makes sense that he would want to live in a tiny house. Does Elon Musk live with his children? While the boxable casita certainly has enough space for one, Musk presumably lives with his partner Grimes and their 1-year-old son, XAXII. Not to mention, he shares custody of his 5 children with his first wife Justine Wilson, twin boys born in 2004, and triplet boys born in 2006, and it's hard to imagine the casita providing enough space for 8 people when the kids visit their dad. That's all for this video about Elon Musk, and thank you for watching. Let us know what you think by leaving a comment in the section below. Thanks!